The next question. The sum of the series two into 20 C naught plus 5 into 20 C1 plus 8 into 20 C2 plus 11 into 20 C3 plus etc. 62 20 C20 62 into 20 C20 is equal to option A 2 power 25, option B 2 power 24, option C 2 power 26, option D 2 power 23. You see here, two, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 11. 2, 5, 8, 11. A plus n minus 1 to D. 2 plus n minus 1 to 3. 2 plus 3n minus 3, that is 2, 5, 2, 5, 8, 11. If you observe 2, 5, 8, 11 equal to sum of R equal to 0 to sum of 3R plus 2 and 20CR R equal to 0, 20. If you take R equal to 0, you will get 2. R equal to 1, 3 plus 2, 5. R equal to 2, 6 plus 2, 8. 20 C naught, 20C1, 20C2. So it will satisfy the expansion. Equal to summation 3 into R into 20 CR, R equal to 0 to 20 plus 2 into sum of R equal to 0 to 20 CR. So 3 into summation R equal to 0 to 20 R into 20 by R into 19C R minus 1 plus 2 into sum of 20 CR R equal to 0 to 20. NCR equal to N by R, N minus 1 C R minus 1. We have used here N by R, that is 20 by R, N minus 1 19 C R minus 1. Further, this will be cancelled. Sixty into sum of R equal to 0 to 20 19C R minus 1 2 into sum of R equal to 0 to 20 CR NC0 NC1 up to NCN, that is 2 power n. This is the formula. If we expand, here R equal to, we have to apply 1. We have reduced one term. R equal to 1. 1 to 20. When you reduced one term, you have to apply R equal to 1 to 20. If we expand, here using this formula, here we will have 19 terms. So 60 into 2 power 19. 2 power, in place of 2 power you can write 2 power 19. If we use this formula, this means 20C0, 20C1 up to 20C20, that is 2 power 20. In this case, 19C0, 19C1 up to 19C19, that is 2 power 19. So 2 into 2 power 20. Two into 30 into 2 power 19, plus 2 into 2 power 20. Here 30 into 2 power 20 plus 2 into 2 power 20. You can take 2 power 20 is the common factor, 30 plus 2. So 2 power 20 into 32. 2 power 20 into 2 power 5. 2 power 20 into 2 power 32. Sorry, 2 power 25. 20 plus 5, 2 power 25. So option A is correct. The sum of all natural numbers. Next question. Sum of all natural numbers n such that 100 less than n less than 200 and HCF (91, n) greater than 1 is (31T1) option B, (3203) 3303 option D, 3221. So 100 less than n less than 200, HCF 91, n greater than 1. That means the n should be divisible of 17 or 13. So 91 can be written as 13 into 7. Therefore n should be multiple of 7 or multiple of 13. So n must be multiple of 7 or 13. Let's SP the number sum of all natural numbers divisible by 7 and lie between 100 and 200 SQ. Sum of all natural numbers divisible by 13 I lie between 100 and 200. Yes, sir. Sum of all numbers which are divisible by both 7 and 13 and lie between 100 and 200. Here 105, 112 up to 196. N equal to L minus A by D plus 1. L last term 196 minus 105 by 7 plus 1. So there will be 14 terms. So n by 2 into 105 plus 196. Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L we have to apply equal to 7 7 to 301 2107. SQ starting with 104 divisible by 13, that's 195. Here 2107. Here SQ 105 to 195. We have to find how many terms are there in this expansion. Again using that n equal to L minus A by D plus 1. So 195 minus 104 by that is 13 plus 1. So 7 plus 1, 8 terms. So SQ equal to 8 by 2 into 104 plus 195. 4 into that is 299 1096. SR means divided by both 13 and 7. There will be one term lying between 100 and 200, that is 182 only. I required sum SP plus SQ minus SR. SR minus 182, SP 2107, 1196 minus 182. So 3303 minus 182, so 3121, so option A is correct. Sum of k equal to 1 to 20, k into 1 by 2 power k is equal to 1 minus 11 by 2 power 20, 2 minus 3 by 11 minus 2 power 20, to power 19. So option D, 2 minus 3 by 2 power 17. Let S equal to this term, that is S equal to 1 into 1 by 2, 2 by 2 squared, 2 by 3 by 2 cubed plus etc. 20 by 2 power 20. This is yes. So s by 2 equal to 1 by 2 squared. I write here 1 by 2 squared 2 by 2 cubed or 1 by 2 squared 2 by 2 cubed 3 by 2 power 4 20 by 2 power 21. Just you write say s by 2 equal to, just write one term, so 1 by 2 squared 2 by 2 cubed plus etc. Twenty by 2 power 21 and 19 by 2 power 20. One minus 2 gives s minus s by 2, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cubed plus 1 by 2 power 20 minus 20 by 2 power 21. Here s by s minus s power half, if you take 1 by 2 in common, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus etc. 1 by 2 power 19 minus 20 by 2 power 21. Obviously this is the 2 power 19. 20 times will be there. A power a into 1 minus r power n 1 by 2 whole power 20 times by 1 minus half minus 20 by 2 power 21. Half into 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power 20 by half minus 20 by 2 power 21. So this will be cancelled. Here we have s by 2 So s equal to 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2 power 20 minus 2 into 20 by 2 power 21. 2 minus 2 power 20 minus 20 by 2 power, if I cancel 2 power 20. Two minus, if you take 2 by 2 power 20 in common, 1 plus 10 will be here, 2 times 20. 2 minus 1 by 2 power 19 into 11. So 2 minus 11 by 2 power 19. So option C is correct.